Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem PlayStation gift card on PS5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a PlayStation gift card on PS5, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you're signed into your PlayStation network account on your PS5. And then once you're logged into your PlayStation network, what you need to do is simply head over and open up PlayStation Store on your PS5. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is on the sidebar at the bottom you'll find an option that says redeem code. Simply select that, and then all you gotta do is enter in your gift card code by simply scratching off your physical gift card, or check your gift card for the 16-digit or 12-digit code and enter the code carefully and then once that's done, simply tap on continue or next, and the PSN wallet will update with the gift card balance. Simply click on confirm if needed, and now you can purchase games, DLC, subscriptions or in-game currency using your PSN wallet, and make sure the gift card region matches your PSN account region. Enter the code exactly with no spaces or extra characters, and if it says invalid code, double check the numbers or whether the card was already redeemed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.